Understanding lion's share, an English idiom explained. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into a popular English idiom, lion's share. Have you ever wondered what it means or where it comes from? This video is here to enlighten you. Idioms are an essential part of mastering the English language, and lion's share is a particularly vivid one. When someone refers to the lion's share, they mean the largest part or most of something. It's often used when discussing division of resources or allocation of credit. For example, if a group of friends bake a pie and one person takes the biggest piece, they've taken the lion's share. The phrase originates from one of Aesop's fables, where a lion goes hunting with other animals but claims the majority of the catch for himself. This tale gives us the metaphor of the lion taking the most significant portion, which has evolved into the idiom we use today. Let's see how to incorporate this idiom into everyday conversation. For instance, she did the lion's share of the work on the project. During the sale, the lion's share of the merchandise was sold by noon. Using idioms like lion's share can add color and expressiveness to your language. Understanding and using idioms can greatly enhance your English. They are a shortcut to expressing complex ideas efficiently and allow you to sound more natural and fluent in conversation. And that's a wrap on lion's share. I hope you now feel confident using this idiom in your English conversations. Remember, the lion's share of language learning is practice, so don't shy away from trying out new expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.